Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make the division symbol on your keyboard. The division symbol, often represented as a horizontal line with a dot above and below, isn't usually found as a dedicated key. However, there are simple ways to type it using your keyboard's numeric keypad. This method is quite universal and works in most text editors and word processors, making it a handy trick to remember for various tasks. For Windows users, the most common and reliable method involves using an Alt code. First, ensure your numlock is on. Then, press and hold down the Alt key located to the left of your spacebar. While holding Alt, type the numbers 0, 2, 4, 7 on your numeric keypad. Once you release the Alt key, the division symbol will instantly appear in your document. Mac users have an even simpler shortcut for the division symbol. You don't need to remember a 4-digit code. Instead, just locate the Option key, sometimes labeled Alt, on your keyboard. Hold down the Option key and then press the / key, which is typically found near the Shift key. Releasing both keys will immediately produce the division symbol, making it very convenient. While the traditional division symbol is ideal for formal writing, the / is widely accepted and used as an alternative, especially in digital contexts. For example, when performing calculations in spreadsheet programs or writing code, the / is the standard operator. Knowing when to use each symbol ensures clarity and correctness in your work, whether it's for a document or a mathematical equation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.